Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps, where you will use Street View right away. Search the address or drag the map to the area you want. This narrows results fast. Once the location is visible, click the pegman in the bottom right or long press it on mobile and drop onto a blue highlighted street. You'll enter Street View immediately. Notice the navigation arrows and the small inset map that confirm your position and orientation. Once inside Street View, navigate by clicking the white arrows to move along the street or tap the screen on mobile. Make sure to click and drag or swipe to pan the full 360 degrees. This helps you inspect building details and signage. Pinch to zoom on touchscreens or use the mouse wheel and double-click on desktop for closer looks. Also toggle the inset map to track your direction. These actions let you explore efficiently and avoid getting disoriented. Finish by saving or sharing the current view via the three-dot menu. You can copy a link or save a place for later. If you need older imagery, check the timeline or Street View history where available. If Street View isn't available at your pin, move pegman to the nearest blue line or switch to satellite view to reorient and try again. If images fail to load, clear cache, update the app, or test another browser to resolve common loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.